Good morning, students. The next topic, that is adolescence. Adolescence describes the teenage years between 12 and 19 and can be considered the transitional stage from childhood to adulthood. So, adolescence means the age between 12 and 19. In between this age, that is known as adolescence. It is a transitional stage from childhood to adulthood. Adolescence is a time of both disorientation and discovery. The transitional period can bring up issues of independence and self identity. Many adolescents and their peers face tough choices regarding schoolwork, drugs, alcohol, and their social life. Thus, it is a very vulnerable phase of mental and psychological development of an individual. So, what is the age? 12 to 19. Then what are the causes of drug abuse? There are many reasons or many causes for drug abuse. One is curiosity. Second, need for adventure and excitement. And experimentation motivates children to experiment. The first use of drugs or alcohol may be out of curiosity and experimentation. Stress and pressures to excel in academics. Significant role in persuading the youngsters to try alcohol and drugs to escape facing problems. The perception among the youth that it is cool to smoke, use drugs or alcohol is also in a way a major cause for youth to start these habits. Same like TV, movies, newspaper, internet also help to promote this perception. Unstable or unsupportive family structures and peer pressure. This is also another cause for drug abuse. Unstable or unsupportive family structures and peer pressure. So these are the causes or reasons for drug abuse. Addiction and dependence. What is the difference between addiction and dependence? Following are the causes of drug or alcohol abuse. One is curiosity, need of adventure, excitement, experimentation, to escape from stress, unsupportive family structure. So, what is meant by this addiction? With repeated use of drug or alcohol, the tolerance level of receptors in our body increases, and consequently, they respond only to higher doses of drug or alcohol. That is the meaning of addiction. Without, we tell usually it's addicted. Okay, without that, the person cannot stay. It means with repeated use of drug or alcohol, the tolerance level of receptors in our body increase, and consequently they respond only to higher dose of drug or alcohol. That is addiction. Dependence means if the regular dose of drugs or alcohol is abruptly discontinued, the body manifests characteristics and unpleasant withdrawal symptoms, which can be anxiety, nausea, sweating, etc. Okay, so suppose the one person he discontinue this drug or alcohol or anything, the body shows some unpleasant withdrawal symptoms. It may be anxiety, nausea, sweating, etc. That is the meaning of dependence. Then what are drugs effects? The immediate effects of drugs or alcohol abuse are manifested as reckless behavior, vandalism, and violence. Excess dose can lead to coma and death due to cerebral hemorrhage, respiratory and heart failures. Okay, if we are taking excess, it leads to death also due to cerebral hemorrhage, respiratory and heart failures. A combination of drugs or their intake with alcohols leads to death. Okay, both combination drugs and also with alcohol leads to death. The most common warning signals of drugs or alcohol abuse include drop in academic performance, lack of interest in personal hygiene, withdrawal and isolation from family and friends, aggressive and rebellious behavior, lack of interest in hobbies, change in sleeping and eating habits, fluctuations in weight. So these are the some signals, warning signals of drugs or alcohol. Okay, drop in academic performance, lack of interest in personal hygiene, withdrawal and isolation from family and friends, aggressive and rebellious behavior, lack of interest in hobbies, change in sleeping and eating habits, fluctuations in weight. When the drug is taken intravenously, it can lead to infections like AIDS and hepatitis. Okay. If any drug is taken intravenously, what will happen? It leads to infections like AIDS and hepatitis. Use of alcohol during adolescence can lead to heavy drinking in adulthood. The people those are taking alcohol during which say adolescent stage, it leads to heavy drinking in which stage? Adulthood stage. Chronic use of drugs and alcohols damages to the central nervous system and liver. So mainly, if you're taking more drugs and alcohol, it will damage the central nervous system and liver. Then misuse of anabolic steroids cause the following in females. What will happen for the females? Masculinizations, increased aggressiveness, mood swings, abnormal menstrual cycles, excess hair growth on the face and body, enlargement in clitoris, deepening of voice. Okay, so misuse of anabolic steroids, it causes the following in females: masculinizations, increased aggressiveness, mood swings, abnormal menstrual cycles, excess hair growth on face and body, enlargement in clitoris, deepening of voice. Same like what will happen for male. Misuse of anabolic steroids causes the following in males: aching, increased aggressiveness, depression, reduction in size of testicles, decreased sperm production, potential for kidney and liver dysfunction, premature baldness, enlargement of prostate glands, enlargement of chest. Okay, so what are the misuse of anabolic steroids causes the following in males? What are the things? Aching, increased aggressiveness, depression, reduction in size of testicles, increased sperm production, potential for kidney and liver dysfunction, premature baldness, enlargement of prostate glands, enlargement of chest. Then what are the prevention and control for this? Avoid undue peer pressure, point 1. Second, educating and counseling to face problems, stress, to accept failures. Educating and counseling to face problems, stress, to accept failure. Third, help from parents and peers. Excuse me. Help from parents and peers. The last, professional and medical help. Okay, so these are the methods you have to use to prevent or control the alcohol or drug abuse. So say no to drugs. Thank you, students.